Yay! That's nice, isn't it?
Thank you, Nanny.
You're welcome, darling. And where's your birthday card? There's your birthday card.
You open your card.
Yeah. And then he's bought you a cake.
Yay, cake.
Yeah.
Don't worry, Fairy Mary. I'll make you proud. All of you.
There you are.
You gonna read it? Say thank you to Nanny. Give Nanny a hug and a kiss.
Oh, bless her. It's alright, she could have waited.
I have been picked to make the new fall scepter. Me!
Hey, that means they gave you the moonstone?
Yeah,